Hi there, my friends. It's Music Hat. So this is kind of an impromptu video. My family and I came out to the Brimfield Reservoir so my daughter could do a little fishing. Willow could do some fishing. And I found so many beautiful things that I'm going to share some pictures with you I got. So we found a bunch of pretty things, lots of beautiful flowers and plants. Even found an injured bird. I'm going to show you the bird. She's okay. I'm going to check her out and show you something right behind me. Check out this plant right behind me. Okay, see that? This is a lady slipper. Isn't that beautiful? That little pouch, the pink. Beautiful, right? So if you don't know, lady slippers are endangered. That means don't pick it. So they're very beautiful and we love to admire them, but there's not a whole lot in the world, although there seems to be a lot in this place, this forest around here. So don't pick it, take it home. Can't do that. But what you can do is take a picture. Pictures last a lot longer, okay? So if you see that lady slipper, don't pick it. Take a pic. Look what I found, my friends. One of my favorite plants to use. This is a medicinal and an aromatic plant. If you don't know what it is, this is sweet fern. So you can tell by these awesome leaves, okay? And if you rub it and smell your fingers, it has a beautiful scent. It's said to be an ancient remedy for poison ivy, and it's also awesome in incense. So little chick seems to be doing better. A little while ago I heard it fall from the nest, but she's sitting up now and breathing. So just hopefully waiting for Mama to come back and retrieve her and bring her back to her nest. So the experts say not to take her unless she's seriously injured and she looks okay. So we're gonna leave her where she is and her Mama will come and find her. Hi, baby chickie. You'll be okay. All right, my friends, so we're here by the water doing some fishing. About to sit down and enjoy the scenery, but then I see this. We know what this is, right? That is poison ivy. So you see this growing up the tree. There's some more over here. So it can be green or it can have that red on it. Do not touch that. And do not touch the tree that it is growing up because it might have oil on it. So stay away from those. Find a different place to sit. And there's some on the ground here too. So I am not going to sit over here. I'm going to sit somewhere more in the sand. So I hope you enjoyed our video today of all the cool things we found out here at the East Brimfield Reservoir. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share with all your friends. And if you are not yet a subscriber to Magic with Music Hat, please do make sure you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our new content. Once again, thank you for joining us on Magic with Music Hat.